Abusiafo, me mo bibia kwaba de ba GCN page so. Mess also be subscribe to my channel. Found some me bell on so. Ube a notification and some me ko so me movie obenye bi etie. Anase obenye bi ahwe e wo GCN page ha. Needing e de adwoa search. Sabato eye blogger e wo Facebook na oye Ghana ni e na okase. Na Sabato ni sema okenya ne say, "Oh, ye my Ghana. O my Ghana adenti e na o my mu na ewo mu obi yade a ye hu na emum ye betwen nipa na enu ho no na ya connect asempa na de enti Sabato e ka say na ne say his excellency na na dodan kwa ekufu ado Ghana ye man pani oye eni papa oye opani pa after obeya president no obo o my Ghana eni pepi omu eni bi eni pepi omu eni eni da so enkra no mo eba etumi ekọ free secondary school enkane no na nka oba be wie school adwendwen kwankwa bekum because school fees abeto mattress trunk provisions and some pocket money enya sem ketwa his excellency be president ni no de amaye free and so Ghana for ye hu ena ye kan sem boni e de efa his excellency na do dan kwakufa do no na ye twen se na na do bewu ni aba out ni aba acknowledging say his excellency na do dan kwakufa do na otise na do na otise afi na do eba bewu ni yaba be ready chese biography akese ene Ghana fo ko abekan omode ne ra kan omode na ne maso akan omode na Ghana fo ye na eba be kan no ya be kase na do ti ase no ono di free SHS buy na do be your president no no eno de na ko buy na do be your president ono de 1D1F buy na do be your president ono be yi Ghana kwan bebre na do be your president no na do penny ni pa mamefo etumi etina akwa ho eton ade abayefo ankwa akọ ha mo na do penny president a chese Ghana fo etumi etwa bono edim na tema enya temketo akran so onka hwe Ghana fo yetina se na his excellency na do dan kwakufa do ewu ansa na ebeka na chi asem pasen ya na yen ka na chi asempa e wa bro ti ase na yen encourage no se ne be ya obetimi ayemo e de ama Ghana fo na sei na Sabato e de
yeah, me ya o mi wiase ne say papa ni be wo wie na afa na mo born samana ne papa ni be wo wie na afa na mo ka kire say one is the first president who was able to do free education for the whole Ghanaians. Papa ni be wo wie na mo ka kire say one is na eti kuo bi e friend NABCO all my friends are unemployment graduate people. Papa ni be wo mo ka na fo asa ka kire me say one is the president and no twere hia fo ono na abamu na udi na tem kura no onka hwe papa ni be wo mama ka sem se kufo da abamu na utimi tira kwa mu ton no ma na yentu abaye bi ama na abaye bi ama how Ghana for this is the kind of people you are, this is the kind of people you are. But the name of kufo is on physical. You don't come together as a journalist, you don't come together as a bloggers, you don't come together as a citizens. And when I catch them, some we are bad citizens. They are famu chichiro. We are bad citizens. They are famu chichiro. Citizens are the chichiro. Man, this is a dear time and sanama share video. And just ye can't someone go abiso and sanama follow ye. And just you go wufi and sanama me a star. Me pesta biayo. Masa me bomb bro. Chale me serious show. Chale I don't depend on MPP and ECO. Chale I know where I came from. Oh. I know where I start life from. The catch on me confirm the yogurt. I'll never stop saying this. I know the Ghana I belong to, no. Obi mo obi o. Obi a person kumyo. Including our every parliament. Every court to them. Every handful. Every Kufuor Nkrumah different to me. And you people are disgracing him as somebody you never hear in Ghana. Mu kuru fi say obi amonte mu ne no ma pa na say mu ni suma da wa Ghana. Hey. Ene ka wudi na tema wa edi. Hello. Ya nya ohwe. Na na do de wudi na tema. Obi antwechew. National security kura yedin. What you say? Yeah, Mr. Papa when he say mra because of say we mra nimni we lawyer kese nti mra e na obili betimi dia Ghana for ama Ghana for ache na di Senya mradi ananado. E kwana uyiro mu huyo. Ala wansi na utia no mu huyo. E chicha fo na utu omu ka mu huyo. Na kono mu huyo. Compare na ubie no. Kana fo wa kontro mu huyo. Propaganda na ede o. Entro na ede o. Yemunu ufini enimu yo. Yensa no Ghana fo ya ade o. Enti emra. Nana emra na de ba boy yafo ma wotwene ehun. Ye nuama wo so mu ko school free. Enyanka na nwisia mo bra wafo na meme kasa ma wo mu no. Wo mu tina ma ba social media o. I don't deserve to disgrace myself or to talk on social media. To insult anybody. I'm nobody to nobody. But I care for your good things, your good dream. And Ghanaians are not buying your good dream. So which I was not even like those people they call themselves graduates. But I care what you're doing. Ghana ni a race in Yajimo. Journalists be at me, I can't want them though. Womu fasu kotofo suntaleshe. Womu jamu ekoba. Journalists be at me, I can't radio station, I can't want them. But I tell me the ultimate now way. I tell you the ultimate and near home broker. And the Ghana journalist is now a broker. And the brokers are not cry yet. I come and him will follow us a cinema. Because of that, you guys are so disappointed to the country. Brokers are not follow us because you dear them. So journalists are Ghana and United States in the day. Other people followers. You are ashamed of your qualification. You are ashamed of your so-called, the name you put in yourself, journalist. And you're not journalist, but it's a captain smart. And it was you a journalist, and you're a broker, or a broker. Don't tell me, say, Captain Smart TV, a TV station, and I mean, Miss Sabato TV, I'm a tiano, Minion Packet Row. Niana me be a madio. Mancoyo be a human sound. Me be a Miss Sabato TV, by myself. By my dream. I didn't go to any journalism school. And I was not even going to school to learn anything about journalists. But I can talk as a good citizen from Ghana. I can educate my brothers and sisters to get a good mentality and knowledge to change their life to become better life. I tell you, who journalists no Nyansa ni atina dam tremuni bi. Eso me ton family ki yogurt me bo shine. Me catch us me ma brabo betimi abecha wo brabo. I'm telling you. I don't need to express myself on social media. But with my common sense and my knowledge. It is how you journalist here. Why don't you fight for your citizens? Ghana ni o problem bi aminim. Am you ashamed of yourself? And am you try baby ankofo esenso Baby ankofo Eco school siane. Justice was there for a long time. Even by the Kufuor bad John Mahama, they tried to build some schools. A Kufuor did more than John Mahama did. A Kufuor did more roads than John Mahama did, than NDC did for 29 good years in power. No journalist was able to show us our road. No journalist was able to tell Ghanaians what is happening in Ghana. And today, Jonas is telling we guys what is happening in Ghana. You guys are so disappointed and so ashamed of yourself. Today, my brother fell from above, who struggled to pass Libya, to use desert, to use a sea, to go to Europe. Now the guy become he becomes so, worried for Ghana. Quite fast to be somebody, nye. Quite fast to be change your life, and yet. I'm a never cassette yamane. I saw a Kufuor. A Kufuor no ama here for me go school free. And ya for me life. And ya for me Benina be president Aboni Dimpa. And ya for me be MPs Abekene Ghana Aboni Dimpa. Now one go free education. And now some me bre answer na go school. And now some me bre answer na what to resume. And until also be a Ghana MP minister. Who share Ghana? Wo nyere Ghana phone. Twempone na sha odirimu ma. Ene Kufuor na wo change Ghana ba o me na mo change Ghana system wo so no na mo sori tia no ni anya bloggers bi a o so anko school o mo firi onya busuam na mo so di sa papa fo yatem esa Ghana nye ko busa wo kromfo se efiri se yo ya wo wana na wo krom kwa na ye na tutu ya na ko busa wo kromfo se efiri se ya wo na wo krom no ena ya type bo obi afie ho Kufuor ba ne ni nyina ya tutu afiri wana masa mo blogger amon kanya sasemo presenters mo so mo blogger amon kanya sasemo na mo mu bia timi to asesa ya wa presenter for wa ya fight galamse no mo so fight ena dia na nkrai bedie ena dia na ena mo boy no dia na togu no mo so fight. They call themselves journalists. At the end of the day, the same presenters will come and say, Yensu Ase. Mr. Ghana, Yeni baby ako because woman could go to certificate, no? Woman could go to school, no? Chimiani too much. A bit could a degree, just a school, no more fight Chimi, and the uncle universities, no? Yes, you need answer, and so we are some for so politics. You we are some for so our mamma. And a woman might see me not to the Tabino, and a muddy yakasam, and a muddy chimney, and they can't cost some, said journalists, or to me, President Kufuor. We are poor to the sense of what Chimmy on. Me who suit me for a busham da. Nayana suit me for so a busham da. Now, who would Timmy? I wanted to ask a journalist, I want to make a gun and wasm. Master, send me say you Tiamatian. So we time and quasiaphobic firm on money on social media. Me must stop home. If you leave me, for me to blog also, quasiaphobic firm on money pen. Hey, a good father become a young form I'm watching more. And only a dear I am a hintasema.